Our application process has now moved to an online portal called Gate Front Office. This mini tutorial will show you step by step on how to edit an application's project name in Front Office if entered initially in error. Currently, the Community Initiatives Program Operating and the Community Facility Enhancement Program Small have transitioned to the Front Office portal for this process. By this point, you may already be familiar with or have completed the following. If you haven't or if you need help, please watch our previous mini tutorial videos for guidance. First, start by visiting the Gate Front Office webpage. This web address can be found in the email containing your login credentials. Once you arrive at the Gate Front Office login screen, you will need to select Login and enter in your login credentials. From the navigation bar on the left of your screen, select Applicants. Now select your organization's profile. If you are registered to multiple organizations, they will appear on this page. If more than one, select the organization's profile used when applying for the grant. Next, you will come to this page. Under Projects, you will see a list of your active projects sorted by the latest submission date. Find the projects whose name you wish to edit under the Project Name column. Click to Edit Project. Please note the project name can only be changed for an application whose status is in progress. A new window will pop up prompting you to change the applicant project name. Type in the new applicant project name and click Save. Once saved, you will notice a prompt at the top of the page that says Project Updated. Also, the revised project name should now appear in your project list. This concludes the mini tutorial on how to edit an application's project name in Front Office. If you have any questions about Front Office or our programs, you can call Community Grants at 1-800-642-3855 or you can email communitygrants@gov.ab.ca.